welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this episode, we're going to be trying to get this big floor pan piece in here. Got to finish cleaning up some around the edges, make sure that all the paint and rust is cleaned up as best as possible, clean up the paint on the edges of the floor pan where we're welded it in, drill some holes for some spot welds. I'm going to try to take my time with this and get it to fit a little bit better than I did this other piece up here. Just try to keep getting better and better as I go here. And this is my first time doing floor pans, so just keep learning as I go. But that's what we're working on in this episode, so let's get to it. All right, we have finally got driver's side floor pan installed. There's still some stuff to do up at the front here. None of this is really attached yet. But I need to do some hammering on some of that and try to get it a little bit closer, a little tighter together. And I still have to take that subframe piece out underneath and replace it. So I think I'm going to try to get those two pieces up here attached a little better while I've got that out. It gives me a little bit more room to work with them together under there. It took me a while to figure out the best method to not just burn holes through the sheet metal, but finally started getting it towards the end there, so the other side will probably go in way smoother. But this is night and day difference of what it was. Get rid of all that rust, all those rusty holes. So it's looking good, making some good progress. Be a couple days before I can get back on this, but really wanted to get this done. Use the Clecos there to kind of hold these sides together, try to pinch them together a little bit so that it wouldn't be so gappy. Really try to take my time and make the gaps pretty small up there, but it is in. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.